Hey guys, I know you play IMVU, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to download a modded version of IMVU for 2026, which is going to give us unlimited credits. So as you can see, we got 2,000 right there. Press this button, we can actually add unlimited credits. So I'm going to press unlock, it's going to go up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says like entitlement and all this stuff. So all right, let's see, deriving tokens and all this stuff. All right, it's done. So now the credits should start increasing. So let's just see what happens. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to download it onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go over to this modded website, which is where we're going to get the IMVU hack. So it's called matrixmods.com. So as you can see, we got IMVU right here. So go ahead and press on it, press download. So before this downloads, guys, there is going to be a verification step. This is the last step. So you got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free from official app store, and then you're going to get rich in IMVU. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there, additional files are required. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps, which are the additional files. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. We got Mode Casino. Match to Win says down reach level 11. So like with the Travel Town one, for instance, I just got to reach level 10 on it. So I just play through this right here, as you can see, just doing some basic interactions. So yeah, I'm just running this right here. So yeah, super easy, guys. So be sure to try it out. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then you should get the modded version of IMVU. So there you go, guys. That's how to do it. Super cool. So yeah, guys, there you go. Unlimited credits. It actually works. There's also anti-ban in here, so you're not going to get banned. So let's go over to the App Store and put in IMVU, just so you guys can see how expensive it is. So let me just type it in. So you don't need the game installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version, but as you can see, guys, it's super expensive. So if you want to buy credits, that's up to you, but chances are if you're clicking on this video, you don't really pay money for stuff in games. But make sure you go to settings and you got background refresh on and low power mode off, and you're gonna be all set. So that's how to get IMVU mod unlimited credits. Super crazy, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, I mean, I've looked into this stuff for a while now. So I think I know about the IMVU credits game and how to like finesse it and stuff. So be sure to try it out, guys. I'm going to see you later, but just make sure you download 2 of these apps, whatever they may be, guys. It does not matter. Just make sure you do 2 of them. You can see it says this funds the project so they can remain free with no ads. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure which apps will show up in your region. I live in the US. If you live somewhere else, maybe they're going to be different, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, if you like IMVU at all, like, just try this right now because it will make you rich, guys. It's super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get rich on IMVU. Unlimited credits today. So this is super insane, guys. No jailbreak, no computer, so super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like IMVU. This actually works, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I haven't had any problems. So yeah, try it out for yourself, and peace out.